All right, so this is a workflow that you can use for repurchase reminders to customers. You can use for cross sells too, and all sorts of stuff. We're going to do it by creating a draft order 30 days out from purchase date in this case. So the trigger is order created, and then you're going to drop into this delay step, and you can configure that however you want. One cool little thing while testing, you can just click that so that when we run the test, it'll skip that delay step, obviously, if you don't have 30 days to sit around waiting for the test. And then you're going to create the draft order here, populating the variant details, quantity, SKUs. There's lots of options in there to use, discounts, all sorts of good stuff you can do in there if you so desire. And then you're going to go ahead and send this invoice. You can, the subject line. In the case of this message, I just did something real short and sweet, but you can do something more interesting. The email will look like this. So it's kind of a standard Shopify email where they're populating some stuff, and then your message, your custom message, will go in there. A little hard to read there, but if you make the text bigger and more interesting, it'll be easier to read. When they click through on that, that's going to take you right into the checkout flow. And then boom, you're off to the races making lots of money. So hope that helps. Feel free to reach out to support to get that set up for you.